if you're out on a ride or during a race, chances are you're not going to carry a bike pump along with you. So it's a really good idea to get a CO2 cartridge and attach it to your bike like we've done right here. We're going to show you how to use it. Simply unstrap it, unscrew it. You want to turn the CO2 cartridge back up to engage it. Pop it back in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then there's a lock button in the back. You want to press that up and make sure it's not locked. The front has a little plastic thing over the opening that you can open. And you simply put it on your bike, press the lever, and it instantly inflates your tire. Okay, so this is my first time using one of these things, and here we are, we're going to practice together. So, put it on the tire, pull the lever, point your face away, cool, and just press it, and feel the tire. You don't want to press the lever way too fast and blow the tire up, but just little presses. Cool! Then you'll need to get more cartridges and keep a few of those in your bag just in case you get a flat tire along with some spare tires. Happy riding! Hey, that was so cool!